Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my dining room table. So come on with me, guys. All right, so what do you do when you get a last minute phone call that someone's coming over and I want to feed them? So we need to fix this table. So I'm going to go ahead and start spraying this with the awesome wood cleaner, which is absolutely fabulous. Look at the shine on my table. And so I'm going to be cleaning on top of this. So there it is, the wood cleaner by Awesome. So it already had a shine, though it was dusty. We're cleaning this off again, and then we're going to go ahead and set this table. I am so excited about tonight. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate. And every time we clean, guys, we always refresh, decorate, change out, whatever it is that we do. In this particular case, we're doing the dining room table, and I love to see my table set. So here we go. Now, don't you just love all of the Valentine's Day stuff? My tree is over to the left over there. I moved it from the other corner. And then I have my Valentine's Day wall on that console table and the little corner unit. So that's pretty much set. So this area here has the nice and warm and love ambiance. I just love it, guys. So we're wiping everything down. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy watching the video, and I'll see you at the end. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate, and the host of this collab is myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now we have that DIY vase. I love that textured vase. And I went ahead and I painted that in red. I love it. Then we have some roses that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. The smaller roses did come from Michael's, and this arrangement is beautiful. Then we have the placemats, and those rosette placemats did come from an Asian store back in Pennsylvania. So the chargers did come from Hobby Lobby. Then we have the plate with that gold trim on it. That was a thrifted item, along with these beautiful pink plates, and those were thrifted. Then right here, I'm placing some bows in red that came from Hobby Lobby. So we fluffed up those flowers so they look good. I'm going to place a votive on the table. But first I'm going to show you the acrylic deer that the Dollar Tree's carrying. And so I think I'm going to place 2 on the table. Now, is this not a pretty vase? And I put some greenery inside this vase. The vase was DIY'd, and then the rose box on the other corner did come from the Dollar Tree's Plus section. I think this table is turning out absolutely beautiful. So I'm putting down the utensils and the napkins, but I don't have them on here now. They will be here at the end. Let's head on over to the reveal. All right, so I'm so excited. Here we are. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.